Okay, really quickly, this is a homework helper. This is really for students who are absent during the lesson so they can get a better conceptualization while they're at home, okay? So here we're dividing and multiplying decimals by power of 10 numbers. So essentially we're dividing and multiplying decimals by exponents, exponential numbers, okay? So here I give my students a clue at the top. I want them to draw their operations and arrows, because when you divide numbers, the answers get smaller than the original numbers. When you multiply, numbers get bigger than the original numbers. So we're moving decimal place values, not moving numbers. We're moving decimal place values. So when we divide our operation here, we're going to move the decimal to the left where the number gets smaller. When we multiply, we're going to move our decimal to the right where the number gets bigger. Let's get started. Excuse me. Here we have 5 and 615 thousandths divided by 10 to the second power. First thing we want students to analyze their exponent. 10 to the second power means that we're taking our base number 10 and we're multiplying it. All right, twice. Our exponent. 10 times 10 equals 100. So 10 to the second power is the equivalent to 100, okay? So here we're going to rewrite our problem. Our equation says 5 and 615 thousandths divided by 100. Students know to look at the magic zeros in their power of 10. Here we have 2 magic zeros in our power of 10 number, so we're going to move our decimal 2 place values. So the question is, which way do we move our decimal? Do we move our decimal to the left where the number gets smaller, or do we move our decimal to the right where the answers are bigger? So since we're dividing, we're going to move our decimal to the left where the number gets smaller. So let's get ready to move the decimal. 1, 2, replace the decimal, fill in the empty space with a 0. So our answer here is decimal 05615. If you don't believe it, parents, put it in a calculator, okay? This is a really easy peasy lemon squeezy way to get students to understand the power of 10 numbers, okay? So let's try one more. I can't make the videos too long, you all have to get ready to go, but here, let's try one more. We have 4 and 221 thousandths times 10 to the third power. First thing you want to do is analyze your exponent. 10 to the third power means base number 10 times 10 times 10. So we're multiplying 10 by itself 3 times. 10 times 10 equals 100. And 100 times the last 10 equals 1,000. So some people may recognize 10 to the third power is a 1 with 3 zeros behind it. Now let's rewrite our problem. Bring down your equation. We're multiplying this time, and we're multiplying by 4 and 221 thousandths. So count how many zeros are in your power of 10. We have 1, 2, 3 zeros in our power of 10. So we're going to move our decimal 3 place values. The question is, are we moving to the right where the number gets bigger, or are we moving to the left where the number gets smaller? We're multiplying in this equation, so we're going to move to the right where the number gets bigger. So let's move our decimal. 1, 2, 3, replace the decimal, and our answer here is 4221 with a decimal at the end. So 4,221. I hope this helps, parents. I have to get ready to go. I'll see my babies tomorrow. Have a good one.